Hello, this is unboxing of the Lenovo Idea Flex 5 type of laptop. It is a convertible type, we can use it as both tab or a type of laptop as well. So I'm very excited. So when we usually buy a new gadget like a new mobile or a laptop, so the first touch is a great touch. So I'm very excited now to open my Lenovo laptop. It is a customized laptop, so it is. I would give a description how I ordered and customized laptop. This is particularly designed for us, and this is active Lenovo digital pen, and I would like to prefer a digital pen, so I opted this type of laptop in the Flex 5 14-inch type. And since it is customizable, you can opt your type of charger as well. I opted for a 2-pin type round pin, and you can opt for a type C charger as well. In the description I will give the link how you order a customized laptop. It took around close to 3 weeks to reach the laptop. Usually they mentioned 7 to 8 weeks to get a customized laptop. I got it in 3 months. And uh, and here comes this beautiful shiny wonderful tiny laptop. And the manuals, usually I will just have a first look and then keep it, and where does it go even I don't know. So I usually play and learn the actual gadgets than working with the manuals. So in case if you like to learn, play, and then work with the laptop, you can use this manual. And I opted for an extended warranty of 2 years than the usual 1 year. It comes with 999, and that is also added to the customized. And it's overall a very good packing, I would say. Like it has come to the destiny with the complete patch. So the shiny laptop now has a very comparatively thin than the one I earlier had. So I would see like the package has delivered the purpose, and it was a wonderful packing as overall. Now the Windows comes embedded with the motherboard itself, and you can opt for the type of OS. So it comes pre-installed. The screen protector and the keypad protector came with this. So you could see the printing of the iPad Flex 5 and the barcode to have the Lenovo service, and the touchpad and also the fingerprint sensor are the side speakers. I would say the fingerprint sensor comes as a customized, and also the type of processor you can customize. I opted for i5. It is available with i3 and i10 as well. You can select it, and also as a privacy shutter to the webcam. So that is also customized. In the customized one, we get it in the option. I'm not sure in the normal ones we get it. So I'm just searching for this power on button. So usually the laptops come with charged, but I have to charge this for the first time to make use of it. I'll jump into the usage section now. So I'm the first switch on. So I would wait for the booting time. So you could see like once it switch on, it has a beautiful white glow in the button. So since it has not come with the charge, so I have to plug and play. So I would say so keep on configuring. So one by one I gave all the details. So finally an high came. Oh, okay, that's fantastic. So meanwhile, while it gets started, since it takes some minutes, I would take you through the other. So this digital pen is one of the most important reason I've opted for this. So I would just configure this pen, and we'll just attach the batteries to them. So I will just I've not seen the manual, so I'm just struggling to find like where to keep the batteries in. So First time I'm going to use a digital type of pen, and most of the times with the Galaxy Notes, Samsung Galaxy Notes, we get the pen attached. I haven't used that type, so this is the first time I'm going to use a active pen in the tablet. Sorry, of course, the laptop. So here comes. So I'm ready with the pen. I couldn't wait to try out in the screen of the laptop. So it's like meanwhile this configuration has done. So since it has a touch screen, now this mouse click and the usual conventional mouse clicks not required all the time. Even if we use the tablet mode or the laptop mode, touch will be available. And you also have a type of idea flex 5 type without the touch also coming up in the model. So it depends what feature you want. So it's a beautiful screen paper made out of the multiple paints scattered away. So usually I try to have a same conventional laptop with the one without the touch I have used, but this one with the touch is quite pleasing, and also I'm excited to use the feature, and it's very responsive, I would say. So it's like so. So one by one, I would like to go through these things. So I'm trying to use the paint to sketch the use. Okay, the first touch. And the graphs was running in my mind with the stock market, so it is reflecting here. Then, as usual, like we got the trial version of the Office in this. So, in case if you need, you have to purchase. It doesn't come with the current customized version doesn't come with the thing. So I tried with the other screens, it's not working with the pen. So I would try with the paint or word is not installed, so I would try with the other 3D paint, and this will be useful when we make a signature. So it's a smooth and nice pen. I will give a try with once I install the PDFs, so I can just try out whether I can sign in the PDF papers. It's most important feature I would see. So the digital pin has two clicks, like similar to the mouse clicks. You can configure these buttons like how you want to use it. So and another holder comes up with it. So sometimes we misplace the pin away. So this you can just get it attached to the laptop itself by using this. Since I have not used the manual, so I'm just going to give a try. Where does it fit in the laptop? So so I indicated specific. Finally, after configuring, so I could see the other features. So I'll try to scan here and there. So just to check like how the pin settings. I'm more excited with the pin first. Like so, I to give have given a try with Word, so I can make a signature. So it works well with the Word file as well. So you have an option how to make this button in the pin can be configured. Like you have a lot of feature whether you want to have a back button, like you want to go back, or if you want to erase the one which has been written. So I will try to give erase feature in one of this, and I will try to give right click or left click in one of the options from the mouse. Also I can use it off. So both I am just clicking with erase feature. You could see like now I have configured one top barrel button for the erase and another one is for the search. And if you want to have a battery indicator in the specific type, you can just opt for it. I am just trying to settle the sensitivity of the pen. I would give it as default what has come in the one. So I am excited to see the other options as well. So what could be the one most useful than the one present is there? I'm just checking. So I'm giving a try of how to attach the pen to the laptop. So this there is a dedicated slot is given, so you can use it to attach the pen to the specific side. So other two USB ports are available. So I could see the beautiful touchscreen, and this is a privacy shutter provided in the webcam. So it's a kind of slide movement. So if you open the slide, it can give it, and if you can keep it the slide closed. So once if you don't require it, so there is a specific slide is given, so you can just move that slide so that the shutter closes the total window. So here this is the movement that can help you. Now a red dot is available at the cam, so that's provide the privacy. So this is customizable option given if you need a specific shutter or not. You can opt in or opt out of this. So basically this has a flexibility to use both as a laptop and the tablet. The important feature, you will get a pop-up whether you want to use the tablet mode. That's we will use the keyboard at the other end. So here the touch, this will be used now, and you can get the another pop-up keypad once you want to type the things. So as a overall, I mean, I'm a bit excited like to move this kind of mode. So mostly when I travel, I would like to have a tablet, but carrying both laptop and tablet together is a difficult constraint. So this comes handy. Thanks for Lenovo on bringing this a quality product. And it's completely a smooth touch response. So I would say like I expected both touch and laptop type. There is also the Flex 5 comes without the touch option as well. So it depends. So if you want to exit the tablet mode, like now you can move it with the usual keypads. Now we move on to the actual tablet mode, and you could see if you complete rotation and there is a specific, you can make it stand in the table. So it's another mode they have fortified. So so to keep it out of hands, and then auto rotation would help you out with both the modes. So that's a fantastic feature, I would say.